Hi whole class! Last week in maths we concentrated on adding, didn't we? Joining two numbers together to make a whole. This week we're kind of doing the opposite of that. We're starting with a whole number and we're going to subtract or take away part of that number to find out what's left. Okay, so this is all about subtraction, takeaways or taking away, and we might be crossing out pictures to help us. Okay. So this is a little recap just to remember what we already know. So in class we often do things like this, don't we? I'll read it out and see if you know the answer. This says 1 less than is, oh, okay, 1 less than 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1 less than 8, not one more, 1 less than 8 is 7, isn't it? We'll see if we're right in a minute. Yes. Let's do the next one. It says, count backwards from 9 to 5. Ooh, so we often count back from 10. Do you remember? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off. But this says count backwards from 9. We have to start at 9 and count backwards and stop when we get to 5. Let's have a go. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Did you do it? Okay. How do you spell the number 4? This is tricky because in English, if you write the word 4, there's more than one way. So the number 4, we spell like this. 4. F-A-U-R, 4. And then we've got a cherry diagram and we've got to work out the missing part. So we can see that the whole amount should be 7. And we can see that we've already got one of the parts, 5. So what do you think the missing part will be? Did you get it? 2. Okay. Let's learn. Subtraction, taking away. So count the bottles of juice or the cartons of juice that you can see. They're not bottles, are they? Okay, let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's like a little story again, isn't it? Okay, so first there were juice bottles, 6. Then Amir drank juice boxes. Oh, so Amir drinks one of them. So if he drinks one of them, maybe this one here, maybe this one here. If he drinks one of them, we have to take one of those cartons away, don't we? And see how many we've got left. It's gone. Now there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 juice boxes. Okay, subtraction, this time taking away some cupcakes. First, there were cupcakes. Pause the video and count them. Well done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then Chase ate 2 cupcakes. So somebody called Chase is going to take 2 of them away to eat them. Have a think. How many do you think will be left? Did you get it? If Chase eats 2 of them, then there's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of them left. Ooh, some bees. First, there were bees on the hive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then 1, 2, 3 flew away. How many are left on the hive? So here's the 3 that flew away. 1, 2, 3. But how many are left? 1, 2, 3. 3 flew away. Now there are 4 bees on the hive. Ah, Tiny it's his birthday. Happy 10th birthday, Tiny. This must be his cake. Do you think there's going to be 10 candles on his cake? Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And somebody sent him a lovely birthday card. Time to blow out your candles. Ooh, he's not blown them all out, has he? How many did he blow out? Did you get 6? I did. And how many are still lit? 1, 2, 4. You can see 4 little flames, can't you? So can you tell a little subtraction story that begins with something like, first there were 10 candles on Tiny's cake. Then he blew out. Pause the video and tell your grown-up the story, the subtraction story for what's just happened. First, there were 10 candles. Then Tiny blew out 6 candles. Now there are 4 candles still lit. Tell a story to match this picture. So pause the video, count the apples, then think how many have been eaten to take those away and see how many ones are left. And then come back and see how you did. Okay, let's have a look. We'll go back to that one. So, did you say first there were 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10? Did you say that? First there were 10 apples. Then Mrs. Jackson ate 3 of them. 1, 2, 3. Now there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 apples left. This is one for you to do in your book. Draw 4 animals. Cross out 2 of them. And how many do you have now? So I'd like you to open your book and have a go at that. Draw 4 animals. Cross out 2 and see how many you have left. Pause the video, off you go. So you might have drawn these animals or you might have drawn different ones, it doesn't matter, but we've got 4 animals. We're going to cross out 2 of them and we've still got 2 left, haven't we? So the hen's been crossed out and the sheep's been crossed out, but we've still got the pig and the dog. 2. Let's try this one. Draw 7 children. Cross out 5. How many do you have now? So again, in your book, draw 7 children, cross 5 of them away, cross them off, and see how many you've got left. Pause the video, have a go, and then come back. Okay, let's have a look. Here's 7 lovely children. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So if we crossed 5 out, the first 5 maybe, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, there's 2 children left. Did you get that one? Okay, one more. Draw 10 apples. 10 apples. Cross 4 out. So cross off 4 apples. How many do you have now? Pause the video again in your book. Off you go. So here's my 10 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 at the top and another 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 10 altogether. Cross 4 out and we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 that are left. How did you do? That's all for today. Thank you for working hard. Ask your grown-up to send me a photo of your work, please. I'd love to see it. And I'll see you tomorrow for more maths. Bye.